Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Prehistoric Speculation, where today we've just got a species field guide for a brand new land dinosaur coming to Jurassic World Evolution 2. This dinosaur is the Qianzhousaurus. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, spelled a bit weird, but this is incredibly exciting. This is the first land dinosaur we've seen since the announcement of the game, or the first new one I should say, since we saw the Amargasaurus and Coelophysis, and this didn't disappoint. This is an incredible looking creature. We see some great new animations from it. The design of it is incredible, and I'll go a bit more in depth with the design in a minute. So, first things to note, it's a large carnivore. We have quite a few of those, however this one does differentiate itself, and it sort of has bumps going down its back almost, which differentiates it quite a bit. The head is sort of elongated, very similar to the Albertosaurus from the first game, but it has crest above the eyes that are a bit more spiky than the Albertosaurus. There are a lot of similarities between the two, however this one is much more spiky. It's got some nice ridging down the back. It looks great. We also see that these two dinosaurs release together, and they also have quite a few behaviours together, which is nice to see that larger carnivores will be able to interact as a group, which is something we didn't see in the first game. They would only fight for territory and stuff like that. That's all they did. Now they'll be able to actually behave together, and maybe this is even like a little hint towards there being hunting within large carnivores, them being able to team up, and these two Qianzhousauruses being able to hunt together. Yeah, I just love the design of them. The skins as well are really nice. They're opposites of each other. They're very bright, but they're also mottled along the sides, but they've got a long bright stripe down the back, and it really sets them apart from the rest of the dinosaurs in the game we've seen so far. Yeah, the whole thing is just beautiful. There's like a little bit where the two sniff together. They sniff like in a row, and then one of them gets up and roars and the other roars as well. This is also the only two large carnivores we've seen coming out of hatchery together. Looks really cool. The roar is really nice to see. It's like asserting dominance almost over the territory. That could be something that's happening with that. But yeah, that's very cool. Along with this species field guide, we also got an article on Frontier's forums. This doesn't tell us too much, but it does tell us a bit more about the dinosaur's social needs. It is unable to live with other creatures, which is nice to see, that you can't just add small carnivores in with large carnivores and they won't fight. That sort of entails that large carnivores will now be able to hunt and kill small carnivores, which is really nice to see. Whether they'll fight or not, or whether it'll just be like a clean hunt, that's something to we'll learn about later down the line. But to be able to see maybe two Qianzhousauruses hunting with a pack of velociraptors or something along those lines would be really awesome to see. We also get the knowledge that they'll be able to feed from the carnivore feeders, which is the first we've heard of carnivore feeders, so we know they're coming back. We also know they'll be able to hunt live prey. They don't say goats, which sort of leads into a video I did a while ago where there's possibilities that there could be other live animal feeders. They have a water requirement, so they need a little bit of wetlands in their enclosure, and they do like a small social group, so if they get lonely they'll be angry and they'll attack your guests and they'll try and break out and that sort of thing. So yeah, this is a really exciting species field guide. It's lovely to see that they are going to start announcing some brand new creatures now instead of just showing us ones we already know about, so we're moving in a bit closer to launch. I can't believe it's been about 2 months since the game was announced. There's only a few months left to go until the possible November release date, and if we can get some more species field guides like this, that would be awesome to see. So, anyway, thank you for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe and leave a like, it really does help me out. And yeah, I will see you in the next video.